Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today was my first day at school, but we're back here vlogging. Who cares about school? Right. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys the tint. We tinted the taillights, guys. We tinted the freaking taillights, and let me tell you guys, it looks freaking awesome. I know some of you guys are not really big fan of tints, but I think you might like this one. I'm gonna show you guys how I install it, and maybe a lot of you guys thought that I was gonna be putting the tint. Now maybe I could have done it, maybe I could have done a great job, maybe I could have done a bad job, but I decided to tell my dad to do the job. You know why? Because he's a professional. Second reason, he does it for a living, and third, he wrapped my car, so why wouldn't he do it? I let him do it. He does freaking, bro. My dad, like, props to him, man. This guy is a freaking G, bro. I need to learn how to rap. Period. All right, end of the discussion. Peace out. Nah, but jokes aside, guys, I'm gonna show you guys. I know a lot of tint videos out there show kind of like skips and shortcuts of how like they tint the window, but in this video it's kind of lengthy. I know you guys can see, but that's because I am gonna show you the full method, or not the full method, but just a full installation of my dad installing the tint, so that you guys can go home, see exactly how he did it, what tools he used, and hopefully it helps you do the tints on your vehicle. It doesn't necessarily have to be a G35. It could also be any other vehicle. Just kind of learn the way he did it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. After the installation, I will be giving out a cinematic kind of look once again, but during the daylight. While I'm doing the day, we already installed the tail lights yesterday, but I'm gonna show you yesterday's clip and do the cinematic today. You guys know. Okay, before I show you guys the tint though, go ahead, drop a like, guys. Please drop a like and drop a comment. Let me know what you guys thought of the tints. I don't think that they're freaking awesome. I freaking love them. Let me know what you think, and comment also where you're from. I want to know where you G's are from, man. Like, I know there's hella people, like, I know this guy from like freaking Switzerland. It's absolutely crazy, bro. Like, what the hell? But that's just awesome. It's freaking amazing. So yeah, enjoy the video. Alright guys, so he's done with one side. Right now we're gonna turn on the light so you guys can compare how much light is actually blocked by adding this tint. This is from Premium Garage. We'll put their link down in the description below. so you guys can see how much the light gets blocked, and it's not like significant. So the lights, so you can see it's almost like the left one is almost brighter on the camera though, but in real life actually the right side looks a little bit more darker. But in real life, dude, the light is not blocked one single bit, so you don't even have to worry about it blocking so much light. So that's good. So it's basically just let's turn on the lights. There you go, you see, there you go, the regular lights. So I think if you guys were worried about it blocking light or anything, like, don't worry about it, guys. It's not gonna block any light. It's perfectly fine. Like they said on the video, they installed the same tint on their own jet, I think it was. Like it blocks no light, so it's a very good film. It's a very good tint, so you guys don't have to worry about it. It looks freaking awesome, guys. I'm already digging the look, because my car has like a dark kind of tone to the whole car, you know, dark gray sand, black stuff, you know, it has a whole dark gray stuff to it. So it definitely freaking looks beautiful. I really like it. So this is how it was before, kind of, and then, you know, it looks way meaner, guys. It looks way meaner. I know it's rice, but I also love rice, so you know, that's just what I gotta say to you guys. So I'm sorry, but I like it. I like it. It looks freaking awesome. And yeah, let's continue. I'm not gonna show you guys the other half that he's gonna do, because it's literally the same thing as the other side. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Here are the tints on my car, man. Let me know what you guys think, man, honestly. And it adds like a shade darker. Obviously, I'm freaking dumb. I hate talking to YouTube. I just don't know how to talk sometimes. So as you guys can see, it's darker tint. I'm just kidding. My car's kind of dirty, but it looks freaking awesome, guys. My whole car kind of has a dark tone to it. You know, the dark gray sand wrap, dark gray wheels, you know, all the black like things, like the black diffuser, the black you know, the side skirts, that one little shit right there, and then, you know, you got the black lip right there. So it's got a lot of black, dark gray, kind of dark accent going on the car, right? So I think the tail light definitely completes the look. It's freaking awesome. It's not super blacked out, like and it's not spray paint. It's not like the freaking ultimate like 5% where you can't even see the tail light and it blocks almost everything. I think it's just like the perfect amount of dark, and honestly, it looks freaking great. I freaking like it. I don't know what you guys think, but I think he did a fantastic job. Look at that, nice clean cut finishes. You can't even see the original tail light. Like, he did such a great job, man. And he even got the inner part right there. So like, freaking, the guy's a legend, man. The guy's a legend. And hopefully he's gonna be wrapping my car. He's gonna be wrapping my car, because I don't got thousands of dollars. Plus he does a freaking great job, so why not? He's gonna be wrapping my car. Like I said, satin yellow. We still gotta wait to get that wrap. I'm trying to work with a couple people, see if they can give me a discount on the wrap. If not, I'm just gonna be like, you know what, y'all don't want to help me, don't help me, man. I'll just freaking buy the wrap by myself from Metro Styling. So besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like. Thank you guys so much for supporting. I know school's starting and it's gonna be a really tough schedule, so I kind of got to figure that out. But besides that, I'll try my best to keep on going, and hopefully you guys like how the G's coming out. Like I said, we got the meet coming up September 29th. I believe it's this Sunday, which we're gonna meet up with another crew, and there's gonna be another YouTuber there who actually does content on G35, so I'm gonna introduce you to him. And besides that, I'll catch you guys then, and don't forget to drop a like, guys. Peace out. Thank you guys so much, honestly. And on Instagram, thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Peace.